Hi, Linda. I figured I would just make you a quick little video to show you the best way to use the Reports Manager and explain what everything means here and answer your questions. So let me go into here really quickly, and we'll go into the sponsor query builder that you were in. All right, so this first page here is where you select your criteria that you want to search on. So in your example, you said you were searching for Jets Pizza. So we'll type them in as my search criteria for the name. Any of these other fields can be used to narrow it down even further. So for example, if you wanted to find Jets Pizzas that were located only in Lansing and only in Michigan, that would narrow it down further here. Otherwise, if you leave these ones blank here, it's just going to grab anything where the sponsor name equals Jets Pizza. Now these types here, you were asking about that. These are custom things that I made that you guys will be able to create and then tag sponsors with. So for example, if Ken comes to you in the future and says, we have a new type of sponsor and I want to call them this thing and we're going to make these new sponsors this thing, you guys can easily go in and create a type. The system is going to be configured for that. So before we do the final data conversion, I'll get a list from you guys for like the current types that you're using. And these would be things like active, inactive, things like that. And if we have data that we can separate these apart by, then I'll tag them as we do the data conversion in there. And I can even do that on the sample one when we run it again here. But for right now, type is empty. You don't have to worry about it. Nothing is tagged with a type on this initial data conversion here. All right, so that's our criteria here. We're going to run the report. And this second page here gives us the field selection, and these are the fields that it's going to report on in the report. So for example, if I only checked sponsor name, address, and city, it's only going to give me those three pieces of data from my search results here. You can also do check all, check none. That'll just quickly check all of these or none of them for you. So let's just pull out, we're just going to get this initial set of data from these ones just to demonstrate it. Okay, so now I've got my field selections, and I'm going to create my report. Now, on this last page here, it gives me my criteria, so this is what I'm searching for, and these are the fields that I've chosen to display in whatever report I want here. And then you can just check any of these options here. PDF is obviously just PDF. HTML here, just pull this up. This just gives you a table that you can look at in the internet. You can copy this whole thing. You can just do, oops, that's what I want to do. You can drag it here and then copy it into Word if you want to, or anything that you want to do from here. You can also print it from here too. That's very printer friendly. And then these other ones, CSV is just a spreadsheet, so you can just pull that into Excel if you need to. And then from here, you can save any of these reports as you get them, or you can just run another report. And that just takes you right back to the sponsor page here. And the hotel one works exactly the same way. All right, well, I think that should explain those. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. I have some other feedback that Heidi sent me to work on. And so I'm going to get working on those today. And so if you have any other feedback or any questions you come across, just let me know during the rest of the day. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.